Last week on 29th July, I had procured about 25 saplings of teak and 20 saplings of bamboo. So I had asked the caretaker to plant at least 2 to 3 of them every day as and when he finds time. So this is the teak. Today is 5th of August 2025. Planted at a distance of 10 feet apart. Three, 4. He has planted around 4 right now. And, we had also planted a few local variety jackfruit. These are the saplings germinated from the seeds of the jackfruit procured from the nearby area, next farmland basically. So they could germinate well, and they are also growing well because it's a local variety. We planted around 4 of them here. They're all coming okay. This side near the Krishi Honda, we have planted bamboo saplings. I have around 20 of them. Right now we planted around 3. This will come again.